Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java language for beginners. First, you will need to set up your development environment. Install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, which is essential for compiling and running Java programs. Next, select an integrated development environment, or IDE, such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, to write your code efficiently. Finally, create your very first Hello World program to grasp the fundamental syntax and execution process. Once your environment is ready, dive into Java's core concepts. Begin by understanding variables, data types, and operators, which are the building blocks for any program. Then, master control flow statements such as if-else conditions and various loops to manage program execution. Crucially, grasp the three main principles of object-oriented programming: encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, as they are central to Java's design. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your Java skills. Dedicate time to solving coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. Aim for at least 3 to 5 problems weekly. Start building small, practical projects, such as a simple calculator or a basic to-do list application, to apply what you have learned. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain valuable collaborative experience and enhance your portfolio. As you progress, explore more advanced Java topics. Delve into collections, exception handling, and multithreading to write more robust and efficient applications. Leverage the vast array of online tutorials, official documentation, and active community forums for continuous learning and problem-solving. Finally, consider pursuing official Java certifications to formally validate your programming expertise and boost your professional credibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.